So if you ever think that your blades are blunt, get yourself some of this. They do make like specialist blade cleaner, but I think this works a lot faster. CT1's Multisolve. Just been cleaning this, left it on for like 2 minutes. I already pulled all this glue off, and I didn't even see that on the blade. There's just bits of it everywhere. So yeah, this blade feels sharp, but because of the glue on there, it's dragging the blade and doing no good. I'm using a big wipe, and it just cleans up quite nicely.